Elevation Pro's incredible takeoff speed starts with the ability to open multiple files simultaneously. In this two-part video, watch how the alignment of multiple PDF plans of different scales is easily achieved by visually matching common points. This overall landscape plan has previously been scaled at 60 feet per inch. Selecting a PDF thumbnail opens the page to a new workspace panel. This 30 feet per inch plan provides the grading details for the lower left of the 60 feet per inch overall. Follow the alignment prompts to select the endpoints of a known distance. Enter the known distance and calculate the scale. With both plans open, it's easy to select common points. Repeat these steps on a second pair of points. The results show perfect alignment on these vector PDF pages. Verify the alignment with the coordinated cursor. This same procedure is used for Google Earth images, data collector, and drone data. 2 subgrades were added to show how Takeoff overlays all other aligned plans. This prevents double calculated areas and missed data. Cycling through the plans shows perfect alignment. Thank you for watching. In part 2, a CAD file will be aligned to this takeoff.